was still contributing in the flow of the House, you know, but he stood his ground. That shows that when you believe in something, then stick by it. And that is what we've learned from you. But in copying the words that Honorable Duale said, Your Excellency, I believe you also owe us a book. And I think it's important for me to say this. We need to know what happened in 2002 when you lost in 2002. And I think I need to know that. Then years later, like Honorable Duale has said, at Bomas, of course, there were issues. But what happened at the holding room before you came out? Because what you saw is at the plenary. But there was a holding room. You, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. What were you guys discussing about that made Uhuru laugh all through when Right Honorable Raila was making his speech? Those are the things that we need to learn all through. But in conclusion, Your Excellency, with the fact that government does not lose, I also want to assure you that even the finance bill will pass. Government does not lose. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Honorable Silvana Osoro. And now to